In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a welcome email in Mailerlite. To get started, log into your Mailerlite account and head to the dashboard. From there, the first thing you'll want to do is create a subscriber group, because this group will be what triggers your welcome email sequence. In the left-hand menu, go to Subscribers, then Groups, and click Create Group. Give the group a clear name, such as New Subscribers or Newsletter Subscribers. Choosing a simple, descriptive name makes it much easier to stay organized later, especially if you build more automations in the future. Once your group is ready, move to the Automation section from the left-hand menu. Click Create Workflow or New Automation, depending on what you see in your account. Then give your automation a name like Welcome Email Sequence and click Start Building. Naming your workflow clearly will help you identify it quickly if you ever need to edit or expand it. Next, choose the trigger for this automation. Select Joins a Group, then choose the subscriber group you just created and click Save. This means that whenever someone is added to that group, Mailerlite will automatically begin the welcome sequence for that subscriber. Now it's time to add your first welcome email. Click the plus button under the trigger and choose Send Email. Enter your subject line, sender name, and sender email, then click Design Email. You can choose a template or start from scratch. Create your welcome message, introduce your business or brand, explain what subscribers can expect from your emails, and add a call to action if it makes sense for your audience. When you're done, click Done Editing. After that, add a time delay by clicking the plus button after the first email and selecting Delay. Choose how long you want to wait before the next message goes out. A common choice is 1 day, which gives subscribers a little breathing room before the next email arrives. Then add your second email by clicking the plus button after the delay and choosing Send Email again. This email should provide additional value, like helpful tips, useful resources, or more information about your products or services. Next, add another delay step. For example, you might wait another 1 to 2 days before sending the third message. Then add your third email using another Send Email step. This is a great place to introduce your main offer, service, product, or the next action you want subscribers to take. At this point, your sequence might look like this. Someone joins the group, receives a welcome email, waits 1 day, gets a value email, waits another couple of days, and then receives your offer or next step email. Before turning everything on, review the full workflow carefully. Check each email, test your links and images, confirm your subject lines, and make sure the sender information is correct. It's also a good idea to use a test subscriber